Today we're making banana bread with chocolate chips and walnuts. We'll be using sugar, flour, butter, walnuts, chocolate chips, salt, vanilla extract, eggs, bananas, and baking soda. Start off with a stick of room temperature butter in a bowl. Add in your sugar. Stir a little so the sugar doesn't fly everywhere, and then blend. If your butter's been in the fridge, you can microwave it for a few seconds so it will mix with the sugar. So how did banana bread become so popular? What's the history of banana bread? During the Great Depression in the 1930s, every scrap of food became precious. Households were unwilling to throw away anything, even a very ripe banana. Let's add in one of our eggs and continue mixing. Around the same time, baking soda manufacturers began mass-producing their products, making baking soda widely available nationwide for the first time. Thus, the desire to use overripe bananas, paired with the ready availability of baking soda, inspired a horde of cookbook writers to come up with recipes for banana quick bread, as opposed to yeast bread. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos coming weekly. And in goes our second egg. By the early 1930s, banana bread recipes, using mashed bananas as the main ingredient, rather than banana slices as a garnish, were common in many cookbooks. And don't forget that National Banana Bread Day is February 23rd. Banana bread is the epitome of comfort food. Your mom probably made it for you, your grandma probably made it, and for a lot of people it's their introduction to baking. You got these bananas, now they're too ripe, what to do? And it's a great baking recipe for the kids to get involved in. They love to mash those bananas. Who hasn't made banana bread? It's amazing. Time to add in our bananas, piece by piece, to help us mix them in. I think another thing that makes banana bread so popular is that it's so easy to make, and it tastes so good. You take something that most people don't like, an overly ripe banana, do a little mixing, and it turns into something most people love, banana bread. And we'll continue mixing. Banana bread has got to be one of the most loved recipes. The most searched for bread recipe online isn't white sandwich bread. It's not whole wheat bread or baguettes or even anything with yeast in it. No, the most sought after bread recipe across America is banana bread. It's so versatile. You can make it with cinnamon, raisins, chocolate, nuts, coffee, brown sugar, honey, vanilla, spice, wheat bran, orange peel, jam, pretty much anything. Comment below, what do you like to put in your banana bread? Once the butter, sugar, and bananas are mixed together, now it's time to add in our flour, baking soda, salt, and vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix it all together. Stir it around a little, otherwise you'll cover the counter with flour. Now we're ready. Now we're going to chop our walnuts. You can chop them as coarse or fine as you like. And that's about a cup of walnuts. We'll just chop them a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. You want to chop them a little bit, but still leave them large enough to be able to have that crunchy texture in the banana bread. You can see a complete list of the ingredients and cooking instructions in the rolling credits at the end of the video. Now we'll add in our chopped walnuts and our chocolate chips. You can use any kind of chocolate, just throw it in there. You can put nearly anything in banana bread. And we'll stir those in. That's a great color. Okay, getting close. Now we're ready to put our batter in our baking dish. Get it all in there. We don't want to waste any of our delicious banana batter. If you enjoyed watching this video, please comment below, like, share. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We have tons of great content coming. So many recipes, baking, cakes, all kinds of recipes. You don't want to miss it. Spread the batter around in the baking dish. Make sure to get it all the way into the corners. The center of the banana bread is going to rise the most, so we want to build up the corners a little so we don't end up with a giant banana bread mountain in the middle. You can see our chocolate chips in there. This is going to be really good. Okay, now we're ready to bake our banana bread. Bake it for 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Okay, that was fast. Let's see what it looks like. That looks great. You can see the chocolate chips and walnuts in there. Nice and warm banana bread. Perfect. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.